Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you've got a Yamaha RX V4A and you want to enjoy both immersive surround sound inside your room and music on outdoor speakers, it might feel a bit confusing at first. Many users think it requires complex wiring or advanced setup, but in reality, it's quite simple once you understand how the receiver manages speaker zones and connections. With the right setup, you can enjoy powerful home theater audio indoors while also sending sound outside without any hassle. So in the next few seconds, I'll show you the easiest way to get everything connected and working perfectly. Try these. Step 1. Connect your surround speakers to the main speaker terminals. Step 2. Connect outdoor speakers to the extra speaker terminals, or zone output. Step 3. Go into the receiver settings and assign the correct speaker configuration. Step 4. Enable zone or speaker switching for outdoor audio. Step 5. Test both indoor surround sound and outdoor speakers for proper output.